Friends, if you run a Shopify business, you know how much time product content can take. Strong visuals directly affect sales, conversion, and even the average order value, so store pages cannot look random or unfinished. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we'll look at a more automated way to handle this process with the Photoroom for Shopify app, a new integration from Photoroom. The idea is to connect your store directly to an AI-powered product content workflow and optimize your catalog much faster. In this tutorial, we'll set up the integration step by step, use AI to improve a Shopify listing, and then look at batch processing for larger catalogs. The goal is simple: prepare product visuals and descriptions faster, reduce manual work, and launch new listings more efficiently. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Alright guys, let's start with the Shopify integration. Inside Photoroom, I go to the left sidebar and open the Products section. This is the entry point for the app experience. I click Connect to Shopify, and the setup begins. It fully syncs the store content, including product images, variants, and listing metadata. After authorization, the whole storefront becomes available directly inside the workspace. Photoroom installs the app, syncs the catalog, and pulls in the data. Once the sync is finished, we get the message that the store is ready, and right away we can see which items were detected. For example, let's open this adjustable device stand. Its listing score is only 25%. This score reflects the marketing quality of the listing, and such a low result tells us the page is still far from sales ready. The image looks too basic, and the optimized description is still missing, so this is exactly the kind of page that needs improvement. Folks, let's choose this item and start improving it. When we enter the product itself, the page turns into an optimization workspace. The score is still visible at 25%, and the system analyzes the content that is already there. From here, we can start applying recommendations. We can add images, add text and file names for 5 images, or improve the product title and description with AI. Now I run the first improvement step. The system generates metadata that can be reviewed and published right away. And after that, the listing score rises from 25 to 50%. Then I continue with another recommendation, improving the title, SKU, and description. We can see the generation happening live, and the platform shows that with the Pro version, this score can move up again to 75%. This is the useful part of the workflow. You are not manually rebuilding the listing from scratch. The system looks at what is missing, generates stronger product content, and pushes the page closer to something that is actually ready to sell. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's go back to the main Photoroom workspace and move to the next part, which is the real breakthrough for larger catalogs. Imagine you have dozens or even hundreds of product photos with different lighting and backgrounds. Editing them one by one would take hours, and this is exactly where batch processing comes in. So I open the batch section. Friends, here I can import images or even an entire folder in one go. As soon as the upload finishes, the platform starts processing the batch, and we can already see the results. The products are cleaned up, and the backgrounds are removed very quickly. From there, we can apply one consistent setup across all selected images. Next, we can apply a template to the whole batch and give every image the same clean background. We can also adjust the position, add padding, and resize the visuals for different selling platforms, so the whole set looks more consistent. What stands out here is the speed. Even with a larger set, the processing moves fast enough to make catalog work feel realistic instead of exhausting. Mates, then we move into AI tools, where the full model ecosystem opens up. This is where we get options like staging, product beautifier, and full recoloring. But the real shift is not just that these tools exist, it is that they can now be combined with batch mode. That means brand owners can run advanced AI edits across as many as 250 images at once. In practice, that means a brand can refresh a whole product line much faster. Instead of editing every image separately, you can move a large set of visuals into new backgrounds or virtual settings in one batch workflow. So by the end of this process, the catalog looks much more ready for real selling. The listing is stronger, the visuals are cleaner, and the whole product line feels more consistent without spending hours on manual editing. That means more time to scale the store and less money spent on heavy photo production. So, my friends, the Photoroom for Shopify app makes the most sense for Shopify sellers who want to create better listings faster. The Shopify integration is useful because your product catalog connects directly to Photoroom. The score gives you a clear signal of what needs improvement, and the AI tools help with both visuals and listing content. For me, the batch workflow is the biggest business advantage. If you manage many products, editing one image at a time is not realistic. Batch mode helps prepare a full product line much faster and keeps the visuals consistent. Guys, use code DANPHOTOROOM to get 10% off max plans for new users. Check the link in the description, connect your Shopify store, and try the workflow for yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.